Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is a speed test between Poco F1 and the Xiaomi's Mi A2. These are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now for the speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. By the way, both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the applications have been updated to the latest version. Now let's see how they perform. In the speed test, as expected, Poco F1 was faster for most of the applications, so Poco F1 is the winner in this round. Now for the memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps on both phones in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. So let's see how they perform. Now in the memory management round, surprisingly Mi A2 was able to keep more apps in memory. Poco F1 comes with 6GB of RAM, but right now it's not using it completely. Almost all the time I can see at least 3GB of RAM on this phone. Now that's the reason why it lost. Now let's see how both phones perform in the gaming test. So guys, for the final gaming speed test, I'll open the last few games on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster. I'm just going to fast forward it a bit to make it quick. So guys, for the gaming speed test, as expected, Poco F1 was faster for all the games. So guys, on the whole, Poco F1 is definitely better in terms of speed and performance, but right now memory management isn't that good and it should be fixed with a future update. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and memory management test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy any of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel, and if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day. I'm Nikhil from Notion Hub signing off. Have a nice day.